Okay, now okay, here what is this particular slide is telling about it? Data gathering. Here it is taking about data. When we are talking about the data, here okay, gender, race, Pondicherry, what is the male, Kerala 48, 51, 49. Okay, so for doing the data analysis, what is required? We need the data. How do? We do the data collections. So the data gathering is the essential for data analytics. Right? Now we are going into this. Here the ratios, you can see here, right? The data understanding. What we need to do? We need to do the understand the data. Here, see here, the male is this much, female is this person. Like what were the percentages? So just they are trying to understand the data. That's it. Nothing more fancy about it here. And also here I will show you this something different. You could see the lines, relationships, percentages. Here the female percentages is 71 and the 74 and 73. These are the ratios. The ratio of the electrons used been titled of the trends of the change. That's it. Now before going to that, now there are some important terminologies which you wanted to understand, which we need to understand. When it comes to the statistics, the first thing we come to know is, one is population, another one is sample data. One is population, another one is sample. Okay, what is population? Population is nothing but, what is a population? Let us take an example. The students in the university is called population. Collecting a data from data population is tough or easy? It's a challenging, right? The population, let us take, I want to calculate, I want to find the understand height of a people, those who are enrolled for PG course in the university. It's very hard to collect the data. Alright? Agree or not agree? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Here, population. Yes, no, maybe. Now one more topic we want to know is called sample. Here now we have what is one is for population is a what is this parameter, and population is very hard to collect the data, whereas other one is sample. Sample is easy to collect the data. What sample is? Let us take from a whole population. We were drawing 10 data points. Let us consider population is 100 points. 100 points, when I am talking the points, is nothing but data points. When I take 10 data points, this is called sample data, right? This is called sample data. Now, okay, the sample is nothing but what we are talking is nothing but statistics applied on sample data. How this will be? Here the statistics we have again broadly it is been descriptive statistics classified into inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is given on so what we do on sample data. The inferential is all about it's a population data. So it will give the inferential statistics. How this will be? We do like analytics on sample data. We apply this whole data to the population. Doing the analysis on sample data is called descriptive statistics. All these statistics will be applied to the population. That is called inferential statistics. So you are taking the inferential statistics here. This is what the statistics by descriptive statistics and also a inferential statistics. Now by this what I can write it here. I'll write one thing. By using write down this point. By using descriptive statistics, I will calculate the required stats by using statistics. I will calculate unknown population parameter value by applying theory of inferential statistics. Write down this. I'll be back in 2 minutes. So now you know what is descriptive statistics and what is the inferential statistics. Done? No, it's not like training and test. Okay, we will see that in the later point of time. First try to understand as it is. Okay, done. Now next topic is types of data. This is very important. Under types of data, we have categorical data and numerical data. Guys, tell me what is categorical data and what is numerical data. You need to answer me these questions first of all. You need to answer. I am going to this. Okay. Okay, done. What is the categorical data and what is numerical data? So the categorical data is a one thing that car, yes, no, male or female. These are called the categorical. BMW car. These are the categorical, which talks about the categoricals. Whereas numerical, again numerical is broadly classified into continuous and discrete. What is continuous? We will talk. This is very important in terms of data science. We need to understand. We need to understand this in a very broader way. What is continuous data? The most of the machine learning problems will deal with continuous data. Outcome will be the continuous or a discrete. These are two possibles. Now first try to understand what is continuous data and what is discrete data. First I want you to answer this one. Then I will go to the next level. First I will try to understand this one, then I will go to the next one. Venkat, what is continuous data? Sachin, what is continuous data? Don't Google it, please. Okay. Continuous means infinity. Data with equal intervals. It is marks of students like 1 to 100. Is it continuous? Okay. Okay. Now let us take continuous data. Continuous data means from a given interval time, it can take multiple infinite values. How many values we can draw from 1 to 10, 1 to 100? Infinity, right? Infinity. Continuous data, one thing, it holds decimal values. Example for continuous data: heights of a student in a class. Shall we take this as a continuous or not? And sales price is a continuous data. Temperature, heights, and currency is also a continuous data, right? Agree or not agree? Say yes, no. Then what is discrete data? Now, sir, I am able to understand what continuous data is all about. Now, what is discrete data now? Now, okay. Now we move. Now we are talking about discrete data. Discrete data talks about only fixed number. It cannot hold any decimals. Example, members in a family. I cannot say we have 2.5 members. Can I say 2.5 members? Or can I, and when I go to coffee day, I cannot order 2.5 coffee or 3.5 coffee. I cannot order 3.5, I cannot say 3.5 kids or 2.5 students present in a class. It cannot accept, discrete data cannot accept any decimal values. Any decimal values. Clear or non-clear? Guys, you tell me. If you clear, just type in chat window the type of data. Types of data. Now here you will see this. Here categorical data represent the groups of the categories. Car brands, yes, no. Here male or female. Write down this also, females. Whereas numerical is discrete and continuous. Here you can see the discrete data can be usually counted in a finite manner. Discrete means number of children want to have a SAT score. Continuous means weights and height. So here we can say discrete number is fixed or finite. Whereas in a continuous it's infinite. Okay, now types of data clear or not clear? Guys, tell me. Okay, now we are moving to the other concept called we have the two kinds of data. Level of measurement. Under this level of measurement, what is important here we will see. Now we are done with types of data. Now we are going with levels of measurements. One level is quantitative measure and qualitative measures. What is what is meaning of quantitative and what is meaning of qualitative, guys? what is qualitative and what is quantitative? That is what I wanted to understand from our level of measurements. Now onwards you will have lots of statistics. It will be like 5 to like 10 hours will be your statistics class, core statistics. It's not about like mean, mode, median. Okay guys, tell me what is qualitative and what is quantitative. Oh sorry, I didn't see your answers. Okay, what is qualitative and what is quantitative? Okay, now let us go back this one here. Write down this way: scale of measurement. Here we have qualitative and we have quantitative data. Under this qualitative we have again two classes. One is called qualitative, it's in a nominal scale. Other one is ordinal scale. Here in the quantitative I have a something called interval scale and ratio scale. Scale of measurement. One is qualitative. Under qualitative is what? Non-metric. It's a non-metric. Here the quantitative is it's in a metric. Under qualitative no arithmetic operation performed. Whereas in a qualitative I can do arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations are allowed. Right? Now we will see what is nominal scale and what is ordinal scale and what is interval scale and what is. Anybody having idea about this one, nominal scale and ordinal scale? Here the nominal scale, under this nominal scale write down this. Here comparison is not possible. Comparison is not possible for the nominal scale. Point 1. Point 2. It talks about with it's a categorical data. Point number 3. I said here no arithmetic operations are allowed. Example, gender and religion. Clear? Nominal scale comparison is not possible. Whereas ordinal scale ranking is possible. Ranks are not equally distributed. You write down these 2 points, nominal scale and ordinal scale. Guys, understood nominal and ordinal? We will go here. Now we will go to the slide. Okay. Here nominal and ordinal first. There are the two qualitative levels. One is nominal and ordinal. So the nominal value represents the categories and that cannot be put any order. Okay. Whereas in ordinal, order, it can be ordered. Nominal data is 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. Ordinal will be your rating of your meal: disgusting, unappetizing, neutral, tasty and delicious. You just remember one thing here. Here, for a nominal, it's no order. For ordinal, there isn't a perfect order is maintained. Are you able to follow? So qualitative. Under qualitative, one is nominal, one is ordinal. Here nominal, no order. Here there is a order is followed. Okay. Whereas in a quantitative, there are two things: interval, right? Here under this, interval and ratio, they are both represent what? Interval. How many values I can take? This is one lower interval. This is my upper interval. This talks for only numericals, right? Numericals. However, ratios have the true zeros. Intervals does not have the zero. Interval will not have the zero, right? Will it hold the zero? Now we will write down this as a different way. Now under this quantitative, we have interval and we have interval scale and we have ratio scale. Here in the interval scale, what are the properties? Ranking is possible, and also here only subtraction is allowed, and it does not contain, write down, it does not contain absolute zero, and also numbers are equally spread. Equally spread. This is what the interval scale, right? Interval scale, ranking is possible. This is what quantitative or quantitative. It is in a quantitative. And what is the ratio scale? Here also for ratio scale, ranking is possible. It contains 0. All arithmetic. Here ratio scale, all arithmetic operations. Whereas in interval only subtraction. Here you remember this. Here only subtraction is allowed. Here all arithmetic operations. And the point, in general, the difference between two interval will be the difference between two interval scales is what? Ratio scale. Clear? Note it down. Yes, no, maybe. You note down these points. I'll be back. Guys, are you able to understand or not? First of all, this one. Now we will see some concept called percentile. We will see some concept on percentile, then its application, then we can wind up today's session. Percentile. What is meaning of a percentile? No, I all are engineers, right? So I should get the answers. What is percentile? Okay, I'll type it here. What is percentile? Now you should answer me. What is percentile? Guys, nobody knows what is percentile? Guys, tell me yes, no, maybe. It's a relative ranking. It's in a relative ranking. Let us tell you. I have written 100 people. 100 people appeared for an exam, and out of 100 where you stands. That is what relative ranking is all about. Relative ranking. That is what the relative ranking. Like your example is your GATE score and your CAT score. That will be calculated among the total highest score versus total number of people got such mark. So there they will be assigned as a 100 percentile or 99 percentile. That is what your relative ranking works. Agreed or not agreed? Sir, why we do need a percentile here? You remember box plot? You do remember the box plot, right? We discussed about the something called the percentiles, right? Clear? Understood or not understood? Guys, I need the answers. I need your responses. Yes, no? Okay, not able to recall. Okay, now let us do some activity here. I mean to say, I'll write down the points here. You just note down the points. I'll write down the points 6, 9, 10. Now how to calculate the percentile? Now how to calculate? First I will tell you that one, then we can do the exercise. Then we can make our hands dirty and then we can go home. Guys, you take pen and paper. First step, sort the data. Calculate the position. Third point is calculate the percentile value. Okay. Now position. How do we do the position? Equal to n plus 1 into p by 100. Where is n equal to number of observations, where p equal to percentile. Guys, you remember n plus 1 into p by 100. I want to make your hands dirty today onwards. Most of your work. Once you note it down, let me know. We will do some exercise. Then we will understand the application behind it. Done? Noted? The percentile? Now let us write down the values. Now I'll write down the values of 6 9. First one I'll take down this one: 9 6 12 10 13 15 16 14 14 16 14 17 18 19 20 25 7 8 something 9. This is my point. What I need to do first? I need to sort the data. How do I sort the data? I'll sort the data into like 6 9 10 12 13 14 14 14 15 16. Here 7 also there, right? 6 7 8 9 16 17 18 19 20 25, right? First, and I wanted to understand 25th percentile. What is the formula here? N plus 1 into P by 100. Yeah, what is the N number here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. See, my N value will be 16 plus 1, sorry, 17 25 by 100. You calculate and let me know what will be the answer. This is 4 4 are 16, again 10, 4 2 are 8, 425, 4.25. So this is 1, second, third, 4, 5. So when it is having 4.25, I should take 4 and 5 values. So I'll take 4 and 5 values. This is what? 10 plus 12 equal to what? This is what? 25 by 22 by 2 is what the value? It's 11.5 is my 25th percentile. Same way calculate 58th percentile and 75th percentile and let me know. Clearer or non-clear? Guys, am I clearer or not? Yes. Same way calculate for 50th percentile and yes. We wanted to understand one concept called, I'll tell you the concept of this percentiles concept. Okay, 50th percentile is 14. So 50th percentile is nothing but middle value, right? That is what the middle value. Agree or not agree? That is what the middle value, right? Say yes and no by your observations. Money. Yes. Okay. Now have we calculated, guys? Everybody is calculated this percentiles. Now we are going to the now we calculated the percentiles of 25th, 50th, 75. These are very important. This is what we call it as Q1. This is called Q2. This is called Q3. These three are very important. You note down this. We call it as very important. The concept which we are going to discuss is called box plot. What is this? Box plot. With this we will wind up. Saturday we will see in the program. Important. What box plot does? Objectives. Write down the objectives. Objectives. Provide the central tendencies of a data. We will see what is central tendencies of a data. Point 1. Point 2. Provides the dispersion of a data and also provides shape of data, and it's very important. Write down this way. It is used to identify the outliers in the data. Now my question is, what is outlier? Equal to abnormal behavior of a data. Write down these points. Box plot. Once you're done, let me know in WhatsApp so that I can do this. Done. Okay. Now important concept. The today's important concept is now when I plot box plot, I told you this is wait. Okay, this is what the box plot. Here we call it as a Q1. This is called Q3. This is called Q2. Q1 minus Q3 we call it as an interquartile range. The Q3 minus Q1 is called interquartile range. Here the point here Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. Here Q3 plus, right, 1.5 into IQR. Now I know the quartiles, and you write down this box, everything. Once you have done, let me know. We are coming to the final concept of today's class of statistics importance, of the percentile importance. Percentile to data science. Note it down here. The point which I am going to tell you. From data of any point falling outside of the calculated values, okay, values Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, comma Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR is known as outliers. Whatever the points will be here and here, the points are called outliers. These outliers will impact your model very badly. Write down this point. Okay. We will talk more about this with examples on the coming class. So we understood the percentile and where percentile will be used. If I tell you percentile and I'll say, okay, this is data science, there is no use. We want to use the applications. We want to read everything is an application oriented. So the points which are below of this, on these points are called what? Outliers. This is what? Outliers. How it will impact, we will see in the central tendencies class. Guys, clear about box plot? We discussed about box plot in the matplotlib, right? Agreed or not agreed? Understood? Guys, write down this points. Very, very important. Sharath, am I audible now? Guys, am I audible or not? Sachin, Shweta. Yes. So you understood the concepts of percentiles and box plots. Have we covered? I hope we covered box plots in Matplotlib, right? Okay. Hope clear, everybody. Still, I can. Sharath, it might be problem with your end actually because I'm audible to everyone. Sorry to hear that, and hope you are cleared the session today. Sharath, if you have doubt, I can call you tomorrow morning. Does this make sense? Okay. Guys, good night. Bye.